and we're ultra hands-on with our portfolio companies. We work really closely with our founders one-on-one, but we also like to have events where we bring them all together and where we can really scale some of the input and support that we give them. And that's the idea behind the Launchpad. We can bring all of our partners together, all of our portfolio companies, our investors, and also our mentors, all of the people essentially that we have in our ecosystem who are willing to support our companies to get them to the next level.
The purpose of what we are doing today, helping companies and making an impact, kind of taking care of what I actually have learned and making sure to give back to the community. And I'm super happy for Wellstreet to facilitate this opportunity.
One of the best moments at this event was when we had the talk from Google on AI tools that can be used within sales and commercialization for early stage companies and founders. It was fantastic just to hear the speaker talk about those tools and see the founders in the audience really reacting to what she was saying and really seeing how this could really take their businesses to the next level. So many of them were really excited about it, and we're actually already planning our next event together with Google to go deeper into some of the things she presented during that talk.
It's very good. It's very good. There are a lot of experts that you can talk to, that you can bounce ideas with, that you can discover alternative ways for you to go forward. For example, Google, last year I was here, this year I was here, and Google has been a huge part of the way we work now.
So the partners at Wellstreet are really hands-on with our portfolio companies, and that's me included. I work with our portfolio companies every day to really support them to take them to the next level. So it's really important that I play an active role in the Launchpads and that I'm there together with the companies to hear the input that they're getting, to really make sure that then they can follow up on those great lessons learned, input, and all of the training that they've received in the days and weeks following on to the Launchpad.